we're here at Walmart, so we're gonna pick up more chocolates for the sugar tree by the end of the month.
You can't go wrong with this.
Yeah. So, you show them. So, yung technique namin is, yung kinukuha namin ng mga chocolates is yung gusto rin namin, just in case na hindi maubos. So, kami yung ubos. So, ayan. Favorite namin pumunta dito kasi yung chocolates ng Walmart mas mura and mas maraming mapagpilian. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Chocolate yan lahat. Dito pa siya. I mean, dito pa ito. Happy Friday! We are on our way home. It's 4:42 in the afternoon. Maaga akong nag-clock out kasi maaga din ako nag-clock in kanina. So, yun din talaga yung target namin ni Ken na maagang makauwi kasi manonood kami ng movie tonight. So, it's gonna be a movie date with Ken and since it's October, ano na kasi, October 3rd. So, Halloween month. Medyo ano kasi dito, medyo big deal sa kanila dito yung Halloween. So, yung pinupuntahan namin na sinehan is meron silang 30 days of Halloween. So, papalabas sila ng yung mga old movies na horror movies. So, for tonight, ipapalabas nila yung Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th, part 3. So, hindi pa ako nakapanood. Yung napanood ko lang is yung first na Friday the 13th. Tapos, yun lang. And then ito, manood kami. So, hindi ako mahilig sa horror movies. Nasabayan ko lang si Ken, but hopefully hindi siya masyadong nakatakot. And uwi muna kami and then we're just gonna put up our stuff and makakain kami sa labas before the movie. So, see ya! Happy weekend! Thank God it's Friday! Having tenders and fries, and of course dessert would be apple pie. Apple pie for dessert. Cheers. Pasok na kami. So we have our 3D glasses. 6:40 pa lang. So magsa-start siya ng 6:50.